But the thing is, I got confused which one to study because I got NCR books, I have got general studies, so many books I have.
You should not buy too many books at the first instance because you will get confused what to read. First you go through the NCRT books. It will give you an idea what are all the subjects to be studied. It is just a preparatory work. Okay. Then after doing this, then you can go for some standard books. Standard books on constitution, standard books on history, and then you can seek the help of the guides. Okay. In the meantime, you also buy some journals like Competition Success Review, Career and Competition Times. These journals also you can buy and regularly you can go through them. These journals will give you an idea about the kind of questions that are being asked. So go in a systematic way so that you get familiarized and you don't get confused. Sometimes you may also feel diffident if you have too many books in your shelf. So that you should not. Okay.
Actually, I got syllabus from brilliant tutorials, sir.
Syllabus is available even in the internet. You can get the syllabus.
No, sir. Actually, they gave materials for prelims and mains according to the optional I choose. Is that enough for preparation?
So, in my opinion, no one can give you coaching for IAS. They can only give you guidance. Because civil services examination is not based on memory. 30% of the questions will be based on memory or knowledge. 30% of the questions will be based on understanding. And 40% of the questions will be based on analysis. Any reading material can give you an idea. That's all. It is not the ultimate. Thousands of people will be reading those materials and no direct questions will be asked in civil services. They will not ask you what is the position of reservation. They will not ask like that. They will ask whether we should continue reservation for government services. That is the kind of questions that will be asked. Where your originality, individuality and analysis comes. So in my opinion, you can buy any reading material, but that is not the ultimate reading material. You may have to go through a number of books and prepare some handwritten notes which can serve you as points, and based on the kind of questions that they are studies or even optional for the matter, even the number of words are limited. It is not like an academic examination. There is a difference between an academic examination and the civil services examination. In the academic examination, you have a prescribed syllabus. You have a prescribed pattern. If you go through the question papers of the past 4 years, then easily you will be able to secure a pass. In civil services, it is not passing, it is qualifying. In academic examination, everybody can pass. But in civil services examination, everybody cannot qualify. Your performance is dependent on the performance of others. So you are going to be evaluated in conjunction with the performance of others. Civil services examination is like a horse race. Two horses may touch the park line at the same time, but an intelligent horse will poke its nose and come first in the photo finish. So that is the kind of quality that is expected from the candidates who appear for civil services examination. In academic examination, even if you write 4 points, Professor Veerabandyan was telling how the papers are being evaluated. They will have 3 or 4 minutes for a paper. They will just see the key points and they will evaluate. Sometimes what happens is 2 microbiology papers got mixed up with English papers and they were also evaluated and marks were given. But in civil services examination, number of words are limited. 25 words, 50 words, 100 words, 200 words. In academic examination, when they ask a question, what is the difference between South Indian river and North Indian rivers, the first point will be South Indian rivers will flow in South India, North Indian rivers will flow in North India. But still people will get marks. What are the uses of lady's finger? First thing is lady's finger has got many uses. 2, it can be put to large number of uses. Third, it will be used by the people in different ways. 3 points without any point. But still 3 points means at least they will think that 2 points we can give. If they ask why Lady Macbeth is called as the 4th witch, then they will write the entire story of Macbeth and finally they will say that is why Lady Macbeth is called, better than the answers given by the other students. That should be the criterion that you should have in your mind. negative marks is just like bank examination. Previously, what people used to do is, for the multiple choice questions, out of 120 questions, if they so unless you know, don't attempt it. That is the reply. So don't think that I should attend all the 120. If you know only 110, attend 110. For the others, just leave it. Okay?
I want to know about the time period for the preparation, sir.
Time period, it differs from person to person. Number of hours that you prepare, whether you start preparing from the college days, all these things matter a lot. In my opinion, if somebody starts the preparation right from the college days, then after the degree program, if they sit for 1 year and prepare exclusively for this examination, they will be in a position to pass. If they are not preparing right from the college days, and if they think that they can prepare for this examination after completing the college days, then I would say that at least 2 years would be required to finish this examination. Okay?
Sir, I'm able to answer my subject. Whether it is right to choose sociology, sir?
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Don't do it just by going through the syllabus. Go through the question papers of the previous years and then make a decision. Okay?
I've just completed my post-graduation in economics. So if I choose my optional class economics, will the papers that I have taken at the postgraduate level help me, or should I go